A very good evening to one and all. Welcome everybody to this session. In the previous session, we were discussing about trigonometry basics, and we discussed about questions up to transformations. So we discussed those. We saw some previous year questions as well, and that is how we discussed in the previous session. So let's get started with today's session, where I'll be discussing a very important topic, which is trigonometric equations and general solutions. In today's class, I will be discussing about trigonometric equations only, and in the next session, we will be discussing about general solutions as well. So this is a part of our Spark Academy's YouTube series for EAMCET JEE and NEET, where we have daily live classes. We have in-session doubt clarification. We are uploading all the entire material in our app, and you can also join for tips and tricks for EAMCET JEE and NEET. Admissions are open for the regular as well as long-term coaching, for classroom as well as online. These are scheduled daily. I'm available every Monday and Tuesday from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Every Wednesday and Thursday, Chandrasekhar Sir will be available, but these are Telugu only classes. Monday and Tuesday, these are English classes. And chemistry, apart from this 6 to 7, you have physics, and 7 to 8 chemistry. Same schedule on Wednesdays and Thursdays as well. So as I told you, today's session we are going to discuss in detail about trigonometric equations, and I am going to show you a couple of interesting tricks which will help you solve questions in trigonometric equations. So as I told you, we will be seeing few tricks to solve trigonometric equations, and when we talk about the weightage for the EAMCET point of view, you can expect 2 to 3 questions. For JEE point of view, you can expect 1 question from this. So basically, what is a trigonometric equation? Any equation in terms of a trigonometric function. So something like a cos theta plus b sin theta equal to c. This is called as a trigonometric equation because it's an equation with all the trigonometric functions. In this case, sine and cos. So this is an example of a trigonometric equation. Basically, in a quadratic equation, suppose you have x square plus 2x plus 3 equal to 0, we want to find the value of x. Whereas in a trigonometric equation, we want the value of the angle. We want the theta value. So this is the base about trigonometric equations. So basically, when we talk about trigonometric equations and general solutions, first, we don't use any trigonometric equations or general solutions formula. So first you need to keep that in mind. We are not using any of those formulas here. All we are doing is, whenever an equation is given, in the options, we are substituting n is equal to 0, 1 or 2, and we are making it into an absolute angle, and you are substituting that in the question, and you have to check whether LHS is equal to RHS. So this is what is expected from you in general solutions. Now, as usual, as we have learned in the previous session as well, we first have to know the basic values of angles, which are 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. So sine 0, 0, sine 30 half, sine 45 1 by root 2, sine 60 root 3 by 2, cos 0 is 1, cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2. Tan is sine by cos, cosecant is 1 by sine, secant is 1 by cos, cot is 1 by tan. So we know this table. So basically you are expected to know these values. And you are also expected to know the not so standard values, which are, if you want to solve trigonometry well, you need to know values of 15, 18, 22 and a half, 36, 54, 67 and a half, 72 and 75. So all these values also you need to know. In this, basically, if you just learn 15, 18, 22 and a half and 36, the first four, rest of them are complements, right? 1575 will be reverse, 1872 will be reverse, so like that. So these values also you are expected to know before solving the questions. So I hope all of you are ready to solve the questions now. Before we get into the questions, this is our Spark Academy app for the benefit of the new students. You can download our app. It's highly rated on Play Store. In this you get free handwritten notes, study materials, previous year questions and mock tests. And we are also available for any queries or any doubts through the chat option. Right now admissions are open for long-term, regular and school tutorials. Long-term coaching is from 10 to 4. We have all the options available, whether you want classroom or online. The regular coaching timings are 6 to 8. We have 3 branches, ECL, Narayanguda and Medipatnam. The batches have just started, so you can enroll for the same. If you want any queries with regards to the admissions, the numbers scrolling are given below. So you can just call our official number, which is 8977 525 461. Any queries with regards to admission process, will be more than happy to help you. So if you want to opt for online, you can just download our app. In the store you will be able to see. Use the coupon code YS and you will get a 10% discount. In our app you will be able to see daily live sessions. You will be able to see assignments and tests like this. So it's a comprehensive app. At Spark Academy, what we do is we do everything it takes for you to help us crack the competitive exam, which are right from basic concepts, shortcut methods, all the model questions, exercise questions, previous year questions, chapter-wise tests, weekend tests, grand tests and test paper analysis. And all these things will be covered. We have highly experienced faculty and we have a very limited batch size. We take only 20 to 30 students in a batch in all the branches. And it's personalized coaching. We have a focus on the process more than the result, because the result will follow if you follow the process. And personal mentoring and doubt clarification is also available. So this is how you get your online coaching and as well as the classroom coaching. So let's get into the problems. Now when we talk about the general solutions, as I told you, the options will be in terms of n. So they are asking you the value of x, basically, which is satisfying this equation. So first what you need to do is, you just need to give n equal to 0. So if you just give n equal to 0, what will happen is, this is gone, this is gone, this is gone, this is gone. Anything power 0 is 1, 1, 1. So this is 60 degrees. So the first option means x value is 60 degrees. The second option means x value is 45 degrees. The third option is x equal to 30 degrees. And the fourth option is x is plus or minus 45. The fourth option says that x value is both plus 45 as well as minus 45 degrees. So now let's verify options. First option is 60. What is sine 60? Sine 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2. But the right hand side is given as 1 by 2. First option is eliminated. Now if we look at the second option, it's 45 degrees. So then sine 45. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 is it equal to 1 by 2? No. So second option also ruled out. Third option is 30 degrees. So sine 30 degrees, value is half, which is also equal to half. Third option will be your final answer. So this is how easily you can do the questions, provided you give n value something. There might be few questions where you have to change the n value from 0 to 1 or 2, but all you need to do is first give n value 0 in the options, then substitute that angle value in the question. That should be equal to the right hand side. So this is how easy the question regarding sin x, question regarding trigonometric equations in terms of general solutions. Now let us have a look at this question. The most general value of theta satisfying sin theta equal to 1 by root 2 and cos theta equal to minus 1 by root 2. So here in this case, the theta value should satisfy both the conditions. Sin theta 1 by root 2 and cos theta 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. So again, I will use the same approach as the previous question. I will give n value 0 because they are saying n value is an integer. So 0 means all these are eliminated. So first option is 45 degrees. The second option is 135 degrees. The third option is 30 degrees. The fourth option is 60 degrees. So now what you need to do is just substitute. Let's substitute first option. Sin 45 1 by root 2 satisfying. Cos 45 1 by root 2, but this is minus 1 by root 2. First option eliminated. Now let's have a look at third option. Sin 30 is what? 1 by 2, but here the right hand side is given as 1 by root 2. So third option is also eliminated. Now if we look at the fourth option, now it is 60 degrees. Fourth option is 60 degrees. Sin 60 degrees, we know it as root 3 by 2, but here it is given as 1 by root 2. So fourth option is also eliminated. Second option is the final answer because this is 3 pi by 4, which is 135 degrees. Sin 135 is 1 by root 2, but cos 135 is minus 1 by root 2. So second option will give us the final answer. I hope this is clear to everybody. So this is your second option. Now let's take a look at the third question. Third question is interesting because they gave you a standard expression. Sin x into sin of 60 plus x into sin of 60 minus x is 1 by 8, they said. So this actually is the formula of 1 by 4 sin 3x. Whenever you have sin x, sin of 60 plus x, sin of 60 minus x, the formula for this is 1 by 4 sin 3x. So this 1 by 4 sin 3x is equal to 1 by 8 now. 4 goes 2 times. So sin 3x is 1 by 2. So we know that 3x will be equal to 30 degrees. X value will be equal to 15 degrees. X value will be 10 degrees, sorry. 3 goes 10 times, right? So x value will be 10 degrees. Now again, I will substitute n equal to 0 in the options. First option, this is 1, this is 0, this is 1, this is also 0, this is also 0, this is 1, this is 1. Pi by 6 is 30 degrees. So is sin 90 equal to 1 by 2? Not possible. Second option, pi by 18, 180 by 18. This is 10 degrees, which is precisely. And this is 60 degrees, sin 3 into 60 is 0, not possible. And this is pi by 9 is 180 by 9, which is 20 degrees, that is also not possible. So second option will give us the final answer. So this is your third question of the day. Now the fourth question, tan of pi by 4 plus a by 2 plus tan of pi by 4 minus a by 2 should be equal to 4 by root 3. Then the general solution of a is. So first things first, give n value as 0. So if you give n value 0, all these are eliminated. So pi by 6 is nothing but 30 degrees, pi by 4 is nothing but 45 degrees, again this is also 45 degrees, and this is 0 degrees. Now let's first give 0 degrees. What will happen? Pi by 4 plus 0 by 2, so this will become 0, 0, tan 45 is 1, tan 45 is also 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, is 2 equal to 4 by root 3, not possible, so fourth option is eliminated. Now we will look at the first option. First option, a value is 30 degrees. So let's look at it. Tan of pi by 4 is 45. This is a by 2. 30 by 2 is nothing but 15 degrees. And what about this? This is tan of pi by 4 is 45 minus, again it is 30 by 2, which is again 15 degrees. Tan 45 plus 15 is tan 60. Tan 45 minus 15 is nothing but tan 30. Tan 60 is root 3. Tan 30 1 by root 3. If you take LCM, root 3 goes root 3 times, which is 3 plus 1, answer will be 4 by root 3. So, which is precisely your right hand side. So, first option will give your final answer to question number 4. Now coming to the last question of the day, which is question number 5. The general solution of cos square theta equal to half is. So again, n value 0 as usual. So all the n's are gone. Pi by 3 is nothing but 60 degrees. Pi by 4 is nothing but 45 degrees. Pi by 6 is nothing but 30 degrees. This is plus or minus 30 degrees. This is again plus or minus 45. So again, what is cos 60? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. Is 1 by 4 equal to 1 by 2? Not possible. Second option, 45 degrees. Cos 45, 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 whole square is nothing but 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2. Precisely the answer. So second option will give you the final answer, because cos 45 we know 1 by root 2. That whole square will be 1 by 2. So fifth question is also super easy. So in all these questions, basically we have just assumed the angle value and we got the final answer. Now have a look at the Telegram group. So these are Spark Academy's Telegram group. You can join the group. You'll be able to find our complete study materials, online access, everything basically. And these are some of the homework questions which I wanted to discuss and which I wanted to give you. So please ensure that you solve these homework questions. Same logic you need to use. You need to give n value 0 in the question as well as options. And you can subscribe to our channel for all such videos which we are conducting every day, Monday to Thursday. And if you have any queries, you can contact 8977525461 on our WhatsApp. And this is the overview of our results. So entire result snapshot you will be able to see here. So in case you want you have any queries, you can always contact those numbers and we'll be happy to help you with the admissions. So our complete results have been mentioned here. The complete topper analysis, everything has been mentioned here. So this is for your benefit. So I would like to thank all of you for joining the session, and ensure if you like the video, do share it with all your friends, and keep a track of the sessions every day. And if you have any queries, feel free to drop the comment and your feedback also. And if you have any other doubts or queries, you can contact 8977525461. Okay. On this note, thank you so much, and I'll see you all again tomorrow. Thank you.